The data remaining in memory error on your Brother printer means there's incomplete print data stuck in its internal memory, RAM, or flash storage. This prevents new print jobs from processing. It's like a traffic jam in the printer's brain. First, clear any pending print jobs on your computer to ensure the issue isn't just a backlog. On Windows, navigate to Control Panel, then Devices and Printers. Double-click your Brother printer and cancel all documents. On macOS, use System Settings and access the CUPS interface to cancel all pending print jobs. This step ensures the problem isn't simply a backlog of print jobs. Next, reset your Brother printer. Power it off, unplug it from the wall for 30 to 60 seconds, and then plug it back in and turn it on. This often clears the memory. This is the simplest and most common fix. The brief wait is important to fully clear volatile memory. If the basic power cycle reset doesn't resolve the data remaining in memory error, proceed to an advanced reset through the printer's built-in menu. This method targets memory specifically and is more effective for stubborn issues. Access the printer's menu system. Most Brother models have a touchscreen interface. If not, use the navigation buttons on the control panel to enter the menu. Navigate through the menu. Typically, go to Settings, then Maintenance or Advanced Settings, and look for options like Reset, Clear Memory, or Factory Reset. The exact path varies by model, so consult your manual if needed. Once you find the appropriate reset option, select it and confirm the action. This will clear the printer's memory without affecting most settings. The printer may restart automatically. Forcing a factory reset is a last resort for Brother printers when other methods fail. Start by turning on the printer. Then, press and hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds during startup. This clears all memory, but usually doesn't erase settings permanently. Outdated firmware can cause memory management issues in your Brother printer. To fix this, update the firmware using the Brother iPrint and Scan app or their website. These updates often include enhanced memory management features. However, for older printer models, firmware updates may not be available. The data remaining in memory error often stems from common causes like oversized print files exceeding 100 megabytes, interruptions during printing such as paper jams or low toner levels, and network connectivity issues with wireless printers. To prevent this error, use recommended file formats like PDF and JPG, avoid overloading the printer with large batch prints, and ensure uninterrupted printing by maintaining adequate toner levels and clearing any paper jams immediately. Looking ahead, newer Brother printers from 2025 onward incorporate AI-enhanced troubleshooting capabilities and upgraded RAM, which greatly reduce the occurrence of memory errors. Future developments may include printers that offload print data to the cloud, eliminating memory buildup altogether. If you have an older model with persistent issues, upgrading to a newer printer with advanced memory management is recommended. Always refer to Brother's official website for the most current troubleshooting guidance and firmware updates.